Jaden, the lets us create mega words, just like the ones we get on the opening titles of movies